making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
Good morning, guys.
When are you going to
Bloody what? Concert?
yeah.
12:40. What time is it now? 8 doon. 8:44. Hala, ang bilis ng oras, guys. So, mag-impake ulit ako. Ito yung mga napili ni Holding damit. My God, ang dami. Ang dami. And, nilipat ko yung isang side ng chocolate dito, kung saan may cover, para hindi siya magkahulog-hulog. Tapos, yung damit ni Holly, doon ko na lang ilagay instead na ang plano ko sana isang luggage, isang damit, tapos lahat pa sa lubong doon sa isang luggage. Pero hindi na. Kagabi ginawa ko bago ako nung madaling araw, nung nagpaalam ako sa inyo na sabi ko magtulog na ako.
Did you get stuff?
What stuff?
The perfume?
Not yet. Hindi ko pa muna sinabi sa kanya. Ah, no! Si Kuya, hindi ko pa sinabi, nabilang ko siya. We couldn't find yours. We went everywhere. We went to two-star discount chemist because we have two.
Well,
One.
I had stuff.
No, they don't have. And I went to Priceline. I went to the other chemist. They don't have. Very popular. So yun,
What, did you get
bago ako
TJ's
natulog
one?
nung nagpaalam ako sa inyo,
Did you get TJ's?
rini-arrange ko yung, not yet, hindi ko muna sinabi. Rini-arrange ko yung aking luggage. So, nandito yung isang part ng chocolate and doon.
Wait, was it there or was it out of stock?
Out of stock. They don't have it.
The headphones?
Oh no, today, I will pick it up.
Yeah.
Yung headphones niya na in-order namin. Oh. Hindi ko kayo malalagay dito. Hindi pa ako napagilamos. Guys, baka may muta pa tayo.
Only 4 days.
Yeah. Yung mga sinampay kong magpo-fold siya. Oh. Tulungan niyo na ako. And, pinaandar niya na yung pinaandar. Nag-load na siya ng laban sa washing. Kasi sabi ko, I cannot do what? Because we are going early today. So, siya na Hoy, what are you throwing? Have you seen it, Baba? My stand for my camera? Okay, thank you. And today, darating sila Race. Give me. What? Okay, thank you. Where's the stick? Ngayon yung dating nila Race, pero mamaya pang hapon, mga 6 o'clock. Gabi na pa lang. 6 o'clock.
How much pair of
No, I want you to find the shorts of the blue one.
t-shirts?
No, the other one that I showed you last night.
That one.
Yes, I want you to find that one. Today? No. Malamig yung weather today. Ano ba yun? Kahapon ang init.
Oh yeah, Mum, my graduation's at 9 o'clock in the morning.
9 o'clock in the morning. That's good. That's good.
Shouldn't it be on like the last day of school?
Yes, should be Friday. But that's good. It works for me.
Wednesday.
No, it's
It should
good.
be Wednesday because it ends Wednesday.
Yeah, but I'm happy Monday, so I can still attend the graduation before we go.
Is Holly what days is it?
Huh?
Holly what days?
What's that? Ah, yeah, I'll bring that one. Oh, ay, ang bigat ng chocolate din. So, binuksan ko ulit. Tapos yung toiletries, dito na lang siguro sa side ko. Oh. Hi!
Why didn't you do that? Fold again.
Ah, you have to learn how. You know how to fold.
No, you're one.
Dito. So, nandito yung pasalubong ko mga damit. Dito ko na lang bibigyan kay Holly. Magbabawas ako dito kasi ang dami niyang pinak. Linagay niya lahat dito yung gusto niyang dalhin. Para mami lang din ito si Holly. Ito, siguro suotin niya ito papuntang airport. Mag-twinning kaya kami pink-pink. Tapos, magsuot na lang siya ng sleeveless. Para, kasi mainit naman sa Pinas, di ba? Tanggalin niya na lang to. Ito yung mga pinak niya. Ito yung mga halos na napack niyang damit is yung nabili namin sa Zara. Kung napanood niyo yung vlog na yun. Yung last Zara namin sa Adelaide. And Rip Curl from Yamba. So, yan yung mga pinili niya, mga t-shirts. Hindi siya nagdalang dresses. Hindi na rin naman kasya. Eh, bakit ka may jumper baba? Eh, nagdala akong light na pants. Kasi panlaban sa lamok paggabi. It's very light.
It's like, it feels like this. It feels
Huh?
like light.
Yeah. Sinabihan ko siyang dali niya tong pants na to. 3. So, light lang siya. And eto, tatanggalin ko to sa box kasi tingnan niyo, na-UP lang naman. Ay, sorry. I will put it in the ziplock. And dadalhin ko to para pabalik dito, i-vacuum ulit natin. And magdala ko ng extra bags. Kasi pagbalik ko, eto, empty to. So, para may malagay tayo dyan ng kung ano-ano. You sure you don't wanna come, Zach?
Where?
The Philippines?
It's too light now.
I know. Ayaw naman
What are you
nila.
gonna do up there?
Kasi wala raw silang ganap
Because you
doon.
don't have anything planned.
Me?
Yeah.
We supposed to go last year
We
to
did.
the island. No, we
don't
didn't
know.
because of what happened. Remember?
Mhm.
So we have plans, but we didn't push through because of what happened.
Is
So now I didn't plan anything.
wait? So
It's ano lang,
are you
bahala na.
going? Wait.
All I
is
want
the-
is to spend Christmas, huh?
Is the
What?
where
Where what?
where all the shops that, like all the food stuff?
Food court?
Yeah. No, like where we went
Yeah.
in the Philippines.
Ah, in
Like,
Legazpi, that where
No.
after the
No.
ATV
No, the where
plaza,
yeah no
the barbecue, huh?
yeah the barbecue.
Yeah, the plaza.
Yeah, that.
What
Is
about?
that gonna be there?
Yes, but I don't think so. Tita Ying is doing it this year because she's busy now. You know, Tita Ying is busy now. Ay, ang cute nito.
So only couch.
Huh? Yeah, only Tita. Only Tita.
What did she say when you said that?
Huh?
What did she say when you said that?
She was happy because we haven't spent Christmas for more than 20 years in the Philippines. So, this Christmas we will. Oh, ang cute din nito. Ay, ang
Is that
ganda
yours?
nito. No, this is Holly. It's big, oversized.
Huh?
Cousins, relatives. Oh.
Well, right. So where are you staying?
One of the house there. When we went to that big house,
What in Legazpi?
Legazpi.
Are you staying there?
Yeah.
I've seen it.
Oh, you've seen it? Yeah.
What doesn't it have like elevator?
Yeah, the one. That's the one. It's finished now.
Are you staying there?
Mm.
Their house, I swear, was like a 3-story.
Yeah.
Or 4, I don't know.
Huh?
And then there was like one room that was filled with toys.
Yeah.
And then I have this massive projector.
Yeah, that's the one where we're staying.
No, you're not.
And,
The old
oh,
one.
that's the old one in Manila.
Is that in Manila?
Yeah, that one when you were little.
Yeah, because I have this massive projector.
Yes. Right.
And this big dining table.
I don't think I'm gonna bring all these t-shirts. Ang dami nito. 1, 2, 3. Magbawas ka, Holly. 1, 2. Huwag na yung itim. 3. Huwag na to. Huwag na to. 1, 2, 3.
Are you going to say 5 on that?
5, yeah. Ang dami niyang dala.
Did we surprise them last year?
Ha?
Did we surprise them last year?
No, we didn't. They know that we're coming last year. But this year, they're gonna be surprised because they know that that is fishing season, so they have no idea that we can go to the Philippines. Well, just me and Holly though. But I'm not gonna bring this one because we got too much t-shirts. Okay? You wanna bring this?
Wait, how long are you staying?
6 weeks. You wanna bring that one?
That's the whole summer. Holiday.
No.
Yeah. 6 weeks. That's
Yeah,
the whole summer.
Yeah.
So you'll be back in like February.
January.
Right, so how long are you staying in Manila for?
2 weeks. Baba, are you
2
still
weeks?
in this one?
Mommy, just wait.
2 weeks in Manila.
Yeah.
Is she
What?
is Kat to California?
Yeah, I still fit in
Is
that.
she
No,
gonna
no.
is she gonna come up with you?
Yeah, she's going to be this one.
What? So she
So we don't have to bring that one.
Wait, where's she?
Yeah,
Where's
give
she
it to her.
normally live?
Manila.
What? And she just goes there how often?
Occasionally,
What's that?
like if there's a occasion like birthdays or not birthdays, festival,
She goes.
Christmas. Yeah,
Who's that guy with the? No, that's theirs.
yeah. So you want this one to Holly?
Are you gonna bring your laptop up there?
Yeah.
And then take a picture?
Remember that used to be so
Okay.
big on
So
it?
now it's all good.
It's just big on it. How about your shoes?
Oh yeah, no, just put it there because I'm not gonna bring all those. Not all. So what you gonna wear what you gonna wear to the airport, Holly? Just jeans. Okay. Is this one fit you? I don't think
I
so.
think so.
Why do you want all the clothes?
Put it here so I can.
What, yours or wait? There's none of mine. So
I just put it in here. No, does it fit you? That shorts?
Because it always hurts there.
Yeah. Just give it to Isla. This one, yeah.
yeah,
This
it's
is,
small.
this is brand new.
Wait, no, you gotta.
The cover's not so big.
Hala, puno na. I don't see your other shorts.
Hang on.
From Zara.
The cover's not so big.
This is your shorts. Thank you.
Hey Mom,
Hmm.
did you get me undies?
No, get your undies.
There's like barely any in there.
Huwag na itong dalhin. Gusto niya itong dalhin.
Do you think Dad will shop?
What period?
Like, if you run out of food?
I don't know. If your dad gonna go shop. Yeah, of course. He has to. What are you gonna eat? Eto, hindi niya pa ito nasuot na Roxy.
You want all those bags of olives?
Yeah?
Or are you gonna put that in?
Yeah, it's in there already.
Wait, so
Holly, did you find the short for this one? The short for this.
Oh, yeah, I know
who? Wait. So you gotta carry two. Will Dad be in the airport helping?
Yeah, help me. And then when we arrive in the Philippines, there's lots of people there that they can help us. I think
What
just the
airline are you going on?
Philippine Airlines.
Is that the one that Dad doesn't like?
No, that's the one that we always go.
Wait, what's the one that
I don't know what's that name. Remember? Yeah. Go to Bali.
Dad didn't want? Oh, that wasn't going to Bali.
No, yeah, that's the one he doesn't want. Okay. Yan, go mo lang dalhin.
Wait, you're going to
Mama.
Yes.
Oh, let's see.
Thank you.
Are you going to go to those pools, lakes?
I'm not sure.
Do you get me any swimming suit?
Do you
Yes, I
even
do.
have any swimming suits? Are you going to go in?
Huh?
Is it going to be hot?
Yeah, it's not really hot.
It's winter
Like
there, isn't it?
no, there's no winter. It's rainy days.
Well, so it's going to be raining there. That sucks.
Typhoons.
Are you going to be in the top one?
I don't want to, but I don't know.
Isn't it hot in Christmas?
Baba, you just gonna wear like crop top
Did you?
or not crop top? Just a
What about that red skirt and that red top?
red skirt.
Wait.
We're going to the Philippines.
Wait,
You don't
they're
need-
going to be with you until you fly.
Yeah. So I can wear the pink one as well. So we're twinning. You want that?
Press the arrow, just press the arrow.
Holly,
Once.
what clothes do you
Twice.
want to wear?
Twice, Mom.
Yes.
Holly,
Just wait.
what clothes you gonna wear to the airport?
Jeans.
Okay, jeans and then
Wouldn't it be cold?
no, this one with this because this is light.
Have you ever been flying in summer?
Not that one. But
Mom, I need to bring something for
What?
today's dance.
Today's dance, like
Because we have to return the costumes, remember?
yeah, I already that clothes. The MJ clothes is in your bag.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
But isn't it cold?
no, it's alright. Baba, find singlet there. The new one, the gray one there. The Sarah gray one. Antok pa ako. Kulang ako sa tulog.
Where are you going to transfer
Yes, you have. The gray one.
Mum, where are you going to transfer your money? That's in Bali.
Huh?
That's in Bali.
Hurry up, Polly. So you're gonna wear this one and this. Or white na lang.
Are you going to go to SM?
I'm not sure. We'll see what.
Is it an SM?
That's why you have to watch my vlogs out. So,
We're not in Legazpi.
no, in Manila.
There's one in Legazpi.
It's all your shirts here now, Holly. Everything.
Are you going to get Jolly Bear in that?
Holly is.
McDonald's? Who were those people in Manila that we went with?
Subscriber.
What, and they asked you? And what'd you say?
Okay.
How long did we hang out for?
Yes,
Oh, did we go time zone?
we did.
I think that's it.
Okay, fine. I know you're right. Where's your Nike one?
Oh, I'm surprised.
Yeah.
They're in my bag somewhere.
Oh, okay. All right. This one, put it back, please, because you don't need this one. Can you fold it back? Or you wanna wear this one?
I like that one.
Yeah, just wear this one na lang.
Wait, so I've never tried any chocolate. What?
No, they do. We have that one, but I'm just bringing it.
Cadbury, no, they don't.
Oh, yeah, no.
They probably have Snickers.
You know what, Baba? We can just wear white and then we can wear a hat. Mag-cleaning kami airport outfit. Siya. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Do you want to bring this?
Yes, please.
Oh. Wala pa tayong sapatos na naipapakol. Si John, guys, hindi nag-fishing pero wala siya dito. Ang aga niya gumising. Ay, kita niyo na ang aking bubelya. Hala. So, pwede pa ma-fit dito sa mga gilid-gilid yung... Hala, hindi kasha. Oh my God. See. Ayan, pinanday. Okay, Baba. Go to Daddy's car and get all the perfumes, please. Thank you.
Why not just this?
No, because I have to put it here now.
Yeah, but not just that two different things. And just
Yeah, just leave one there for DJ. That's it. Thank you. Mas mabigat pa to. So this one, we can hand carry this. Ito, may pagbibigyan siya si Ate
shy.
Shy. And this is yours. And ito yung pabango ni Kuya. Bibigyan natin si Papa. Last year, nabanggit ko na sa inyo ata. Jimmy Choo yung binigay ko kay Papa. Pero ito, ang bango din. Alam niyo ba, yung mga, first time ko mag-amoy kahapon ng mga perfume na, yung mga brand nila, hindi sikat na brand. Yung, mga kung sa atin, mga worth 2,800 pesos, 2,500. Ito, to? Magkano ba ito? Hindi ko alam. Ito, medyo pricey yata to.
I wanna bring this.
Yeah. Hindi siya pricey. Lang din to. Na-vlog ko. Tapos naka-sale pa siya. So, eto, mga 2,000, 2,000 plus. Princess. Pero ang bango. You like the smell? Pinapili ko sa kanya kasi sabi ko, do you like the smell? Yes. And then, may iba-iba siyang kulay. So, kinuha namin 3 para kay Mama, girlfriend ni Chloe, Tita Eva, and kay Yinga. And meron pang isa, yung DKNY kay Mama. Tapos ito sa kapatid kong lalaki. Ito naman yung silver scent na Midnight. Yung isa is, siguro itong isa, yung intense sa kapatid ko. Tapos yung Midnight kay Papa. Ayan. Mga lang yan, 2.8, mga ganun. Mga to. Tapos mababango. So yun nga, first time ko, mas mabango pa yung eto sa mga signature na naamoy ko na gusto kong sanang kunin. But etong magandang amoy, fresco, hindi matapang. So ipatry natin, we'll see kung magustuhan nila. Ay, naku, hindi ko. Ayoko na. Magbawas na lang ako ng chocolate, guys. Kasi na-stress na ako. Kasi hindi na kasyo. Dito kasi yung toilet cream. Ha? No. Wala, meron pa pala yung favorites ko pala. You have to So, sobra naman ang chocolate. Oy. Yung iba kasi dito, tira nung Halloween. Tapos nagdagdag na lang ako ng sobra naman. Yung kape importante yung kay mother. Parang gusto ko lang tanggalin to sa box. Itong mga Colgate.
Do you want me to take it out?
Can you get me Ziploc, Baba? Ziploc na lang. Can you get me a big Ziploc, please?
Please.
No? Kasi, oh, ang laki ng difference, oh. Gusto yung tanggalin. Siya magtanggal.
Hi, Dad.
Hi guys.
Hi.
What's that?
Wow!
Oh,
You got a haircut?
yeah, 7 o'clock this morning, have you appointment?
7 o'clock yung appointment niya sa haircut
I
niya.
got a present.
From who?
Oh,
Let me see
Coffee.
here. Give it here. I'll show it to them your gift from Kylie.
got the wrong one.
Ah? She got the wrong one.
She gave me that,
And
pack of dive and a lighter. That's
hindi.
got a milk.
No, it's not. Nag-war siya mag-melt yung mga
Wow.
chocolate. Ang regalo ni Kylie sa kanya is
She's got the wrong one.
coffee. Kasi tinanong ni Kylie kasi sabi ko, walang gusto si John. Kaya tanongin mo siya. So tinanong niya, wala. Sabi ni John before, no, don't give me anything. But ayan, binigyan siya ng coffee, a packet of cigarette, guys, and lighter. And more chocolates. Oh my God, we got lots of chocolates. Why are you opening that one? Daddy, we should open that one, not you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Regalo,
Ano box
first
size
gift niya daw. No, wait, I'm not gonna take that one, Baba. I'm removing some. Okay, come on.
First flake of snow is said to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way. And for every single child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day.
Okay, done. I'm done packing. So, wala na akong naiwan. Wala na. Wala na. And gusto ko itong dalhin, yung aking MCM na bag. Dalhin ko ba ito? Na bag. Ang ganda nito, guys. Dalhin ko ito. Para may malaki akong pag-isipan ko pa kasi yung bag nga natin, ay yung luggage natin, hindi na kasya ang mga bagay-bagay. Okay, alright, let's close this. So, undies and bra na lang. This is done. Thank you. Bless you. Hindi ba mabasag to. Sa gilid ko lang linagay. Ilalim ko ba dito? Ah, dito na lang.
Mom.
Ah, ito. Ay! Gusto kong andalin yung aking protein powder. Salita ko ng salita, hindi pala kayo naka-on. So, ito yung protein shake na gusto kong dalhin. Paano? So, gawin ko, lagay ko na lang dito sa ziplock. Ito, puno, hindi pa ito nabubuksan. Ito, dito na, hanggang dito na siya. Let's see. Hold this bubble. Ilagay ko na lang dito, no? Tapos no, naharang ako dahil may powder. Tikman nila. Sus, huwag ka yung matatapon kasi, my God. Okay, ayan na guys. Ngayon, paano, saan natin siya ilalagay? Dublehin ko kaya ang ziplock, no? Make sure natin na naka-sealed. Gamitan natin ito. Sealed na siya. Okay. Ayan. Kasi may, nakaano naman, nakasiplak na yung dalawa. Okay, ngayon, saan natin ito ilalagay? Pwede ka dito. Ipilit pa talaga dito. Kasi eto, yung toiletry dito eh. Ayan. Saan natin ito ilalagay? Pwede ka dito. Ay, dito na lang. Kasi feeling ko may space pa dito. Yan, dito na lang. Para pag naano man siya na pisat, huwag naman sana. Hindi siya kumalat dito sa mga damit. Ano natin siya dito. Oh. Ayan. Ay, I'm happy. Nadala natin siya. Tapos mamaya pupunta ako ng pharmacist para bilhin ko yung Claritin para sa mosquito bites ni Holly kasi allergic siya doon. So yun, nakakatulong yun sa kanya kasi pag dito, nakakagat siya ng lamok. Nagbi-blister talaga guys. Allergic siya sa bites ng lamok. Then bibili ako ng pang spray, yung repellent. So yun pa yung mga gagawin ko sa pag-drop ko sa kanya. Pupunta ako ng chemist and Kmart. Okay, alright. I'm closing this. Ito ang pinakamabigat. Ito ang pinakamabigat.
Wait, so you're picking up the headphones today?
Yes. Yeah, yung pa pala.
Wait, did you go there yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Oh,
Because I've been
looking for the flipping.
for your perfume.
Holly,
Yeah.
do you have your phone? Holly. No, you don't. Oh no, there you are.
So, andis na lang talaga. Choco bras. Yun na lang. Hala, ang bigat nito. This is the heaviest. Ay, hala. Hala. More than 32. Naka maglagay ako dun sa kabila. Ay, hala, hindi ko siya mabigat. Ito magaan. Hala. Baka magbawas tayong chocolates. Ay, hala, ang bigat. Yeah. Alright guys, maligo na ako. Gusto niya itong isama sa aking paglaban ng sapatos, yung Crocs nila. So, ayan yung mga sapatos. And eto din, labang ko. Na, ang dumi naman yung kanila, oy. Mas madumi yung Crocs nila kaysa sa sapatos namin ni Holly. Sa ilalim yung Crocs. Hindi ko na tinanggal yung sintas. Okay. Sana hindi sila masira, no? First time natin tong gagawin. Yan yung mga books niya.
I'm putting this in there.
Alright.
Oh, actually, I took back
What's that?
a whiteboard marker. A whiteboard.
Yeah. Board.
You
Yeah.
want this? Oh, I'll leave it there.
Oh, it's
Oh,
sorry.
would you want this?
Naglipat na ako ng ibang chocolates.
You got to write it.
No, do this way, Han. Oh, it's alright. 20 kilos.
It's not bloody 20 kilos. More than 20 kilos.
Do the other way, Han. Other way, like this. Oh, perfect. Almost 30. Ayan, wala pang 30. Okay. Heavy. Sabi niya, pag nagpapagda ako, laging heavy. Always over the limit. I'll do that, honey, because I need to use the
Oh,
scissors. Okay, ikaw na. Kasi trinay ko siyang tanggalin kagabi. Hindi ko siya matanggal. So, naglagay na ako dyan. Pero yung isa mas mabigat pa din. So, kumuha ko ng 3 Coffee Mate. And ibang chocolate nilagay ko dyan sa... Wala pa dyan yung aking. Toiletries na lang naman ang ilalagay dyan. Yun na lang naman. Yung sapatos. Sun carry na lang yung sapatos. And etong isa, nag-perform sa daddy niya yung mga sinayaw niya kahapon. Dinistorbo ko lang siya na ikilo to. Nakaiga siya dun eh. Yeah, okay. Do the other one please, son. So I can have a shower. Natanggal niya na lahat ng stickers. Han, lift that one here.
this one.
Yeah, we haven't checked that one.
That was the heavy one, wasn't it?
Yeah, but I take some out from there. Oh, it's more done. Oh my god, 35. 35. I have to remove some. 35 yun.
Yeah, that one's heavy.
Yeah. So, kailangan ko magbawas ng chocolates. So, ang tinanggal ko instead chocolate, ang tinanggal ko ay yung gatas ni mama. Ang plano ko sana, huwag siyang magdala ng hand carry. Pero, magdala siya. Para malagay natin yung gatas. Kasi allow siyang 7 kilos. Ako din 7 kilos. Yung akin kasi, ilalagay ko dun yung laptop. Siya sana, hindi na sana siya mag-hand carry. Pero kailangan para hindi maiwan yung... Para madala natin lahat. So, ito yung tinanggal ko. Kasi sayang, di ba? Kasi ayoko din mag-iwan dito ng chocolates sa kanila. Lalo na to si Johnny Boy, mahilig sa chocolates. Para may pamigay pa natin sa mga bata doon pag nag-caroling, di ba? Okay, dala ka baba ng hand carry mo. Kasi, ang isang ganito, 1 kilo. So, we are allowed 7 kilos. 1, 2, 3. Puno na agad. Puno na agad. here. Oh. Your white seed. Pwede ko pa malagay dito yung sapatos ko. Oh, di ba? So, okay na. So, natanggal ko doon is 1, 2, 3, 4 kilos mahigit. Diyan natin dito. All good, Baba. It's for Lola. Hi! Kung okay lang sana yung wave, hindi na siya magdala ng hand carry sana para kunti lang yung dala naming bagahe.
Mom, it's 10:09.
Okay, I'm gonna have a shower now. 10:19 now. Okay, guys.
10:16.
Okay. Ayan, magpe-perform ulit siya sa daddy niya, yung isa niyang dance. And, sabi ni Sak, bihisan ko raw to. So, ito yung luma ko. So, yan muna ang kanilang damit kasi labahan pa yung iba. Yung isang set. Tapos na yung sapatos laban. Kunin ko na. Kasi si daddy hindi na nanonood ng concert niya, oh. Ayan na yung anak ko. Tulungan niya na ako. Siyang may gusto niya eh. Tinawag niya si Kuya na tulungan siya.
Oh Lord. It's easy.
Si Kuya madaling mag-give up. Si Kuya ayaw niya ng housework. Gusto niya outside work, like daddy. Si Sak naman, parang ako. Mahilig siya maglinis. Mahilig siya maglinis. Maglaba. Si Kuya mas gusto niya yung maglinis ng pagola, sa farm. Eto hindi to nag-ano sa farm si Sak.
You washing more clothes?
No, I'm just spinning the shoes. Okay. Ayan. Nire-ready na ni Daddy si Holly. Then may make-upan ko na siya. Brush your hair properly, please.
Now the rest of it.
Yeah, if you want
Not
to,
the
yeah.
chili flakes.
Yeah, whatever you want. Yung tira namin na truffle pasta, kainin ni Kuya.
But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go.